Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by logging into the PAN service portal and choosing Changes or Correction in PAN data. Enter your PAN number and review the on-screen form immediately. Do not delay. Once done, fill only the fields that need updating and select the reason code precisely, because the system routes requests differently. Make sure to upload clear document images that match the form fields. When prompted, enter your Aadhaar number to enable eKYC and prepare to receive OTPs on your registered mobile and email. Next, you'll attach supporting documents and pay the processing fee. Choose the correct document type for each field. For name change, use marriage certificate or Gazette notification if applicable. Once you upload, preview the form to confirm every entry matches your documents exactly, then proceed to pay using card, UPI, or net banking. After payment, you'll receive an acknowledgement number. Save it. If you used Aadhaar e-sign, complete OTP-based verification. Otherwise, you may need to send physical documents by post. Finally, monitor your application status with the acknowledgement number and expect processing within a few weeks. If approved, the PAN card will be dispatched or updated digitally. Download ePAN when available. If you get a rejection, read the rejection reason carefully and resubmit only the missing or corrected document to avoid repeat delays. If processing stalls beyond typical timelines, call the portal helpline with your ARN and payment receipt. They can locate your file and advise the exact corrective action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.